I'm a game changer. I'm a risk taker. I don't hide from the battle. The battle hides from me.
Hi, my name is Shizhi Chen. You can call me Chen Chen, and from a beautiful city, Lanzhou, PR of China. This summer, I was honored to take part in the F1 race of U12, which is a little difficult for a 8-year-old who has just studied for less than a year. When I got the map, first step, I observed the map to find whether there were any obstacles that I could use our notes. And I was very excited that I used them on the first and second right turn. For the first 25 seconds, I made the robot turn to right. Once the robot ultrasound, I did find one and satisfied the distance. When robot close to the one, I made it close to the one and do right turn action, and finally made the robot turn left at the first one, so that more than half work completed. And I didn't turn corner at rectangle, thus ingeniously avoids the problem of interference. The final robot well covered the whole map, perfect to complete the task. Thank you.